Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Fiesta's cigarette lighter. A common reason your cigarette lighter or power outlet stops working is a blown fuse. This simple fix can restore power to your devices, allowing you to charge your phone or power accessories again. We will walk through the steps to quickly diagnose and resolve this common electrical problem, saving you time and a trip to the mechanic. To begin, you will need to locate your Ford Fiesta's interior fuse box. In many models, this is conveniently situated beneath the glove compartment on the passenger side. You might need to gently remove a small plastic access panel to reveal the fuses. If you are unsure, your vehicle's owner's manual provides a precise diagram and location for all fuse boxes. Once you have found the fuse box, locate the fuse designated for the cigarette lighter or power outlet. This fuse is typically a mini-blade type, often rated at 15 amperes, and might be labeled cigar or aux power. Use the small plastic fuse puller, usually found in the fuse box lid, to carefully extract the old, blown fuse. Then, firmly insert a new fuse with the identical amperage rating. After replacing the fuse, turn your Ford Fiesta's ignition to the on position. Plug in a device you know is working, such as a phone charger, into the cigarette lighter socket. If the device begins to charge, you have successfully fixed the problem. Always double-check that the new fuse is seated firmly to ensure a good electrical connection and reliable power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.